Oh, squid. Ah, squid. Yep. Found them, kills. Waiting for the ink everywhere in a second. Oh, mate. Ink away. He's not waiting for me. There we go. Ooh. Squid kills. Yep. He's inking. He's inking. Oh, this one's got a bit more fight to him. Come on, buddy. Whoa, look at you go. Yeah, I get that. Look at the colours on him. You done inking yet, mate? Well, g'day and welcome back to another episode. Keely's got the giggles. All right.
Yeah,
so funny.
I don't know.
Anyway, welcome back to another episode. Today we're gonna. Are you good? Alright, I'm trying to focus on everything because Keely's got the giggles. Alright, the giggles. Alright. So on today's episode, we're going to show you how to catch, clean and cook squid. So let's go. What's so funny?
My fishing skills is a joke.
So what you want to do is, right, grab your squid jig, and what you want to do is work out how deep water you're in. So at the moment, I'm in 2.4 meters of water. So what I'm going to do is drop my squid jig off the edge, and I'm going to count how long it takes to hit the bottom. 5. So roughly 5 seconds for it to hit the bottom. So now what I'll do is cast it out as far as I can. And now I'm going to wait that roughly 5 seconds. As you're drifting along, you know, the depth will change. But if you stay with around about 5 second marks, you get to that and you just raise that rod tip up. Wind in your slack, wait 5 seconds, and lift. And just keep doing that. As you're winding down, come up. Now, it doesn't have to be the whole 5 seconds or whatever the time is it takes to go down. You can come up earlier, but the closer your lure gets to the bottom, the better. So as it comes up, right to the top, and you let it sink, you have a better chance of a squid that's further away to see your lure and come in and attack it. So get it out there and just lift up. And just keep repeating. As it's moving up and down, this is what the squid are going to see. Now what you want to do is get it as close to the bottom as you can, so when you lift it right up, it comes right up and it gives the squid a chance to see it. If they're not near your lure, they'll see it, they'll come over, investigate it and take it. Now if you're in water where you can't actually see the bottom, on your sounder, this is what you want to look for. See how it's all bumpy? Well, those bits like raising, dropping off. And if you've got the side scan, you can see all that coral there. I don't know if you can really see that on the camera, but that's what you want to look for. Now when it comes to tides, I've never had any better luck on higher or lower tides or in between. I have found that if the waters are clear, you seem to have a lot better luck. Well, I do anyway. So yeah, on the sounder, that is what you want to look for there. That there is showing reef. Alright, so we've got a couple of squid. It's been fairly quiet going. Now we're going to head home and clean them up. So stay tuned and we'll show you how to do that. Alright, so now we're back at home and we're gonna grab the squid, clean them and get them ready to cook up tomorrow. So what I'll do is I'll focus the camera on the squid themselves and show you how I clean them. Alright, so first step, I'm gonna separate the head from the body. What we're gonna do is there, grab him and pinch the top here. And you just gotta give it a twist and give them a nice gentle pull. Sometimes they can be a bit tough. So you can grab onto the whole body because they are a bit slippery. This one is really slippery, this one. There we go. Now, if you want to eat the head, you can. Oh God, that went everywhere. You'll have a bit of like cartilage. You cut them out. And now they're all good to cook up. I'll chuck them to the side. Yeah, before I go any further, I'm gonna clean up my mess. All right, so now I've cleaned up all the ink and everything. Once you're done with that, you want to clean out the inside. So on the inside, you'll have like pretty much its backbone. And grab a hold of that and just pull them out like so. You want to make sure that you give it a good clean out on the inside. Like get all the rest of the guts and everything out, and then give it a rinse off. Once that's done, we can get to peeling off the skin. Now, cleaning squid is never a clean job. So you best do it outside, but we want to get it prepped and have it soaking in salted milk overnight. So when we come to cook it tomorrow for lunchtime, it should be ready to go. And it can be easier if you cut the wings off first. All right, so that's all skinned. Now I'll clean the rest and we'll get to the part where we just cut them up. All right, welcome back to my lovely mess. And now we're gonna cut the squid up into squid rings. All right, so we have our salted milk. It's just milk and salt. What this does is helps break it down. So when you go to cook it, there's less chance of it being really chewy. Just put it in there, and then we will let them soak overnight. All right, that's the one in there, soaking away. All right, stay tuned and we'll get to cooking them. So right now what we're doing is we're going to do a shallow fry. We got the oil to temperature. One way that we tested that was to get the end of a wooden spoon, put it in the oil, and if it starts to bubble up around it, then you've got that perfect temperature. And we've got the timer set for 2 minutes.
Yeah, how much we got longer on that one?
We've got 40 seconds left. And then once we pull them out, I'll put them on some paper towel.
Drain the oil.
And I'll put salt straight onto it. So we can start to pull it out, like so. And they're nice and like that golden brown color.
You ready?
Which is what you want. Yep, go for it. Now, what we recommend is that you do a test run just to see.
So you don't destroy the whole batch.
Yeah, so you don't wreck the whole batch, so you can see how long you want to cook it for, try it out, and if it tastes good and it's not too chewy, then go for it. Now, as you can tell, we're not professional cooks.
I am.
By any means. Well, Keely's closer than what I am. But this is just us showing you how we do it and what works for us. Whoa, see that?
This is what we mean, we're not professional.
Like the Matrix right there, mate.
We do need a deep fryer.
But yeah, a deep fryer makes it a lot easier. Shallow frying can be a little bit tricky, but...
Just temperatures, really.
Yeah, it's just a temperature, and if you practice at it, then once you get it down packed, it's easy. All All right, get some lemon.
Wait,
Squeeze it over.
get a little bit of ASMR.
All right, try this out. Wow, it's really good. That is actually really good.
This is the weight and they want some too.
This is probably the best fresh squid I've had in a long time.
We did good.
Hey kids,
Do you want to come try it?
can I come some?
I don't even like calamari, but this is actually really good. Come here. Close the door properly.
Want to try a piece? There you go. Here's some sauce. Dip it in. Have a bite. What do you reckon? That's it. Bite down hard. That's it. Pull it.
It's not chewy.
Good. Ruby?
It's calamari.
Yeah, that's squid.
Oh, is there lemonade on it?
No, not lemonade, mate. Lemon. We put lemon on it.
So, is there lemon on this one?
Yeah, it's all over.
So, how does lemon taste so good on this?
Because it's seafood. Lemon tastes good with seafood.
Yeah, lemon tastes good with seafood. You like it?
So when I tried lemon on seafood for my first time, it was so good.
Ruby's not a big seafood either.
No, she's not a big seafood either. All right, so we hope that all the tips that we gave you helps. Sometimes we're not the best at explaining things. I know I'm not. But yeah, we hope that it helps you to get out there, catch some squid and bring it home, cook it up and share with either yourself or friends, family. And yeah, just dig in. All right, you guys, see you later.
See you later. Bye, guys. Bye.